Kaiser Family Foundation, which is a research organization that does a lot of Medicaid statistics. They found that 92% of adult Medicaid enrollees are either working or exempt from work requirements. So this is really affecting a very small portion of Medicaid enrollees.
And yet, so much of the conversation.
Such a huge focus.
This bill is also seeking to introduce new fees for anyone on Medicaid who is above the poverty line, so that they would have to pay fees in order to access health care. And to be clear, this is for people who are above the federal poverty line.
I'm searching the web. The current federal poverty line for most states, it varies a little bit in Alaska and Hawaii. For a one-person household, so someone like me who lives independently, is about $15,000. If you make more than $15,000, you're going to have new fees.